Chapter 1. Estimation and Units. Estimation by orders of magnitude. In physics, we deal with the measurement of quantities which vary in their magnitude to a large extent, very large as well as very small. For example, the speed of light in vacuum is 300 million meter per second, while the diameter of a hydrogen atom is nearly 0.00000000001 meter. Generally, it is not convenient to express and memorize the values of such quantities in this form. Therefore, for convenience, the magnitude of such physical quantities is expressed in the powers of 10. For this, we should remember that 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10. 10 raised to 2 is equal to 10 into 10, which equals 100. 10 raised to 3 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, which equals 1000. 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 10, which equals 0.1. 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 10 into 10, which equals 0.01. 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10, which equals 0.001, and so on. Thus, a quantity of magnitude greater than 10 is expressed in positive powers of 10, while a quantity of magnitude less than 1 is expressed in negative powers of 10. Using powers of 10, the magnitude of the quantities given above can be conveniently expressed as below. Speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Diameter of a hydrogen atom is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters. Estimation by orders of magnitude. A physical quantity with magnitude having a large number of digits is expressed in powers of 10 with one digit to the left of decimal as shown below. Physical quantity is equal to m into 10 raised to n, where m is a number which is greater than 1 but less than 10, and n is a positive or negative integer. Note, n is positive when decimal is shifted to the left. Example, 2735.62 is written as 2.73562 into 10 raised to 3, and n is negative when decimal is shifted to the right. Example, 0.0002735 is written as 2.735 into 10 raised to minus 4. The power of 10, that is 10 raised to n, is called the order of magnitude of the physical quantity, and m is called its numerical value. If m is equal to 3.2, it can be written as root 10 or 10 raised to 0.5, which when rounded becomes 10 raised to 1. So if m is less than 3.2, its power of 10 will be less than 0.5, that is m is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0. So the order of magnitude remains 10 raised to n, but if m is greater than or equal to 3.2, its power of 10 will be more than or equal to 0.5, that is m is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1. So the order of magnitude becomes 10 raised to n plus 1. Some examples of order of magnitude. Mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to minus 30 kg. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to minus 30 kg. Mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg, that is nearly equal to 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Charge on electron or proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Diameter of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.05 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters, that is nearly equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meters. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Pulse rate is equal to 72 per minute, which equals 1.2 per second, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 per second. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 0 per second. Pulse period is equal to 0.83 second, which equals 8.3 into 10 raised to minus 1 second, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 1, which equals 10 raised to 0 second. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 0 second. Mass of bottle of water of 5 liter is equal to 5.2 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 kg. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 1 kg.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Some examples of order of magnitude. Length of a football field is equal to 91 meters, which is nearly equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to 1 meters, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 1 meter, that is nearly equal to 10 raised to 2 meters. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 2 meter. Radius of Earth is equal to 6.378 into 10 raised to 6 meters, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 6 meter, that is nearly equal to 10 raised to 7 meter. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 7 meter. Speed of light is equal to 2.99792458 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Age of Earth is equal to 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 years. Note, in years, order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 10 years, which is equal to 1.4 into 10 raised to 17 seconds, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to 17 second, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 17 second. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 17 second. Interstellar distance is equal to 12.3 light years is equal to 1.16 into 10 raised to 17 meter, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to 17 meter, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 17 meter. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 17 meter. Mass of Earth is equal to 5.983 into 10 raised to 24 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 24 kg, which is nearly equal to 10 raised to 25 kg. Order of magnitude is equal to 10 raised to 25 kg. Orders of magnitude of some common sizes, length, area, and volume. The table given below gives the order of magnitude of some physical quantities. Order of magnitude of some physical quantities. We have certain physical quantities and their magnitude and order of magnitude. Length 1. Diameter of a hydrogen atom. Magnitude is 1.05 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 2. Thickness of paper. Magnitude 0.0003 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 4 meter. 3. Thickness of a pencil. Magnitude 0.027 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 4. Height of a boy. Magnitude 1.6 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 0 meter. 5. Length of a room. Magnitude 4 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 1 meter. 6. Length of a football field. 91 meter is the magnitude. Order of magnitude is 10 raised to 2 meter. 7. Radius of Earth. Magnitude is 6.378 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 7 meter. 8. Distance of Sun from Earth. Magnitude is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meters. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 11 meter. 9. Interstellar distance. Magnitude 12.3 light year or 1.16 into 10 raised to 17 meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 1 light year or 10 raised to 17 meter. Now let's see area. 1. Area of a table. Magnitude 2.8 square meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 0 square meter. 2. Floor area of a room. Magnitude 11.3 square meter. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 1 square meter. Now, volume. 1. Volume of a tumbler. Magnitude 0.0026 meter cube. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. 2. Volume of air in a room. Magnitude 48 meter cube. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 2 meter cube.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Orders of magnitude of some common sizes, masses, and time intervals. Mass. 1. Mass of a hydrogen atom. Magnitude is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 27 kg. 2. Mass of a book. Magnitude is 0.5 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 0 kg. 3. Mass of a bottle of water. Magnitude is 5.2 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 1 kg. 4. Mass of a boy. Magnitude 46 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 2 kg. 5. Mass of the moon. Magnitude 7.36 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 23 kg. 6. Mass of the earth. 5.983 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 25 kg. 7. Mass of the sun. 2 into 10 raised to 30 kg. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 30 kg. Now, time intervals. 1. Time of 1 revolution of electric fan. Magnitude 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 seconds. Order of magnitude 10 raised to minus 2 seconds. 2. Pulse rate 72 per minute or 1.2 per second is the magnitude. 10 raised to 2 per minute or 10 raised to 0 per second is order of magnitude. Or pulse period, the magnitude is 0.83 second and order of magnitude is 10 raised to 0 second. 3. Time taken by light to reach the earth from the sun. Magnitude is 8 minutes, which equals 480 seconds. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 3 second. 4. Time taken by the earth to rotate once on its axis. Magnitude 24 hours, which equals 86,400 seconds. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 5 second. 5. Time taken by the earth to revolve once around the sun. Magnitude 1 year, which equals 3.15 into 10 raised to 7 seconds. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 7 second. 6. Age of the earth. Magnitude 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 years or 1.4 into 10 raised to 17 second. Order of magnitude 10 raised to 10 years or 10 raised to 17 second. Need of unit for measurement. Physics, like other branches of science, require experimental studies which involve measurements. For the measurement of a physical quantity, we consider a constant quantity of same nature as a standard, and then we compare the given quantity with the standard quantity. That is, we find the number which expresses how many times the standard quantity is contained in the given physical quantity. Thus, measurement is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature. The standard quantity used to measure the given physical quantity is called the unit. Thus, unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature. Measurement. The result of measurement of a physical quantity is expressed in terms of the following two things. First, the unit in which the quantity is being measured, and second, the numerical value which expresses how many times the above selected unit is contained in the given quantity. Thus, the magnitude of a physical quantity is expressed as given below. Physical quantity is equal to numerical value into unit. Examples. First, if the length of a piece of cloth is 10 meter, it means that the length is measured in the unit meter, and this unit is contained 10 times in the length of that piece of cloth. Second, if the mass of a given quantity of sugar is 5 kilogram, it means that the mass is measured in the unit kilogram, and this unit is contained 5 times in the given quantity of sugar.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।